Few months ago, I did something that I've never done before. I put together the craziest bonus that I've ever put together, which was 51 different bonuses. A lot of people asked me, Eric, can I please get in on this? I missed out. I really wanted it. And well, I listened, and now instead of 51 bonuses, I'm giving you 55 bonuses. And within each bonus, there's actually even more. Technically, this is probably over 100 bonuses because, like one of the bonuses, like a set of 30 courses with PLR. So it's a crazy, crazy bonus package. I'm giving it away because Alessandro opened up my eyes when he told me all about what you can do with ChatGPT and images. It's all coming up from my review of AI images and okay, so right now the sales page for AI Images Empire. As I said, this is my friend Alessandro. He's very well known for using AI for a lot of cool stuff. And this is a really, really incredible package. I mean, I just did a review video last week for another package that talked about using AI to generate marketing images. And I thought that was pretty cool. But then Alessandro showed me this, and I was like, oh, wow, there's so much more I didn't know about. And I was just blown away. So I decided that to celebrate this, and by the way, this actually won Deal of the Day on Warrior Plus. As I'm recording this video, and it's currently Deal of the Day on Warrior Plus. I decided that I'm really going to go all out this time. And so I'm giving away a total of 55 bonuses, which I know is completely, totally bonkers. But you know what? This would not be a Man That Hat review without having an insane bonus package. Yes, yes. Thank you very much for that. I really need a hat trick. I mean, I can do it too, Look, see, I can do it too. Look, there you go. Nice hat trick right there. Okay, I didn't get whatever. But seriously, let's go check out my list of customers and I'll show you the members area real quick. So 55 bonuses are included here. I'm just going to run through them super quickly. I'm not even going to talk about every single one of them because there's so many bonuses here. You can go look through my list on my website to take a look. SEO, video editing, banking $199 over and over, dozens of Instagram ready inspirational quotes and videos. That's again, multiple bonuses are included with one. You can have great headlines, sales page secrets, how to get completely free advertising, amazing video courses, and it goes on and on and on. Okay, just endless, endless, endless bonuses, bonus after bonus after bonus after bonus after bonus after bonus here. You can see the incredible, incredible value. You're talking literally thousands upon thousands of dollars worth of value here. Most of these actually come with full PLR rights. You can sell them, you can give them away, use them as your own bonus. I'm not even going to read through them because it's just so much stuff here. Coming up with your own gimmicks. This is one of my favorites. You know how I always like to talk to, Liz Lemon and to Bart.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Liz, that was not an invitation to interrupt my video. I thank you for the comment. It's very sweet of you to say that I'm a successful entrepreneur, but that wasn't an invitation. Now, go away. But seriously, I'm going to teach you exactly how to do that. Very cool stuff. Creating killer sales videos, content writing made easy, the right way to do money back guarantees. That's something really, very important, by the way. Seriously, very, very good stuff here. Giving stuff away to make money. Voiceover with free software. Okay, pre-guarantee methods about an email list. Again, that's 3 bonuses in one, so it's really more than 55, but you get the picture. And the list just keeps going on and on and on and on and on because I really packed a ton of value here. That's 101 reports on making money online. So it's hundreds upon hundreds of bonuses, really, that you're getting from me when you pick up this incredible package. One of the craziest bonuses that I've ever given away. 55 of 55 titles. I mean, there's more than 55 items here. There's so much value here, and it's just incredible stuff that I'm giving away when you pick up AI Images Empire from me. And this is not your usual junk that a lot of people give away. Most of these are stuff that I've created myself that are high quality bonuses. So, a lot of people, they'll just give you whatever one over crap they have sitting around.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Dude, I'm sure you like crap. That's very nice to hear, but most people don't. And frankly, I don't think you do either. I think that you are lying. You are a liar, sir. A liar. Seriously, let's check out the barrier. So it is as usual, a PDF that you can download. There are a couple of other things. I didn't want to show you the members of memory there because then I have to go and hide the URL. So I just downloaded it. You can see the download URL here on my own computer. But he goes through a lot of stuff here, showing you step by step, creating ads. There's all kind of really cool stuff here that really opened up my eyes, which I hadn't known that ChatGPT is now capable of doing. I do use ChatGPT occasionally. I tend to write my own copy, and I do use it for images once in a while, but I've used a lot of other stuff for images. And when I found out what it can do now, I was just absolutely blown away by this incredible list, which is why I decided to create this incredible bonus for you with 55 official bonuses. Really, it's much more than 55, but we'll call it 55 just for the heck of it. 55 bonuses when you spend a lot of $17 and pick up AI Images Empire. Let's see if I can formally give a tip on my head to the product creator or not.
That he really hit that out of the park.
Yeah, seriously. Okay, you hit the ball out of the park with this one. Of course, I think I hit the ball out of the park with this one when I'm giving you such an insane bonus package. The guy behind me, if he wasn't the painting, he'd be tipping his hat just like I'm tipping my hat. The other guy behind me, he's tuning his horn because he's saying, yes, grab this. This is really good. You're absolutely going to love it.